Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah and I am reviewing the Konjac exfoliating body sponges by the brand Minamul. They also have facial sponges, but I'm just reviewing the body sponge. So, Konjac is a plant root which contains vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. This is the one charcoal. So charcoal is supposed to be containing activated
carbon for deeply cleansing, absorbing excess sebum and grime to help prevent blemishes and breakouts.
So this is a pretty cool concept of a sponge. So this is what the sponge looks like. Oh, leave it like that. So you're supposed to take this activated charcoal sponge, soak it in some water, and then hold it with your hand like this. I think that's really cool so that you don't drop the sponge. And you just exfoliate your body in a circular motion, and then once you're done, you squeeze it out gently, and then you just hang it to dry so that it dries properly. As long as you hang it, it will dry. If you let it lean against the wall like I did, it won't dry completely. So make sure that you hang it up. And I will show you what it looks like when I've used it. So you can notice the size difference. When you use it and let it dry, it shrinks up in size, and then when you wet it, it expands again. It is supposed to cleanse your face with only having to use half the amount of cleanser that you used. So you can see that the side that was expanded in the side that was in the water has expanded a lot more, and it's super squishy and soft. If I use this without any makeup on, it does make my skin feel nice and smooth, but it doesn't make it feel clean, but it doesn't make it feel overly dry either. So it kind of seems like using a sponge versus just washing my face with water. It doesn't really make a difference. It might help with blood circulation, but in terms of making my face clean, it didn't really do anything. By itself, it didn't remove the makeup at all. When I used this with a mild cleanser, I use a mild cleanser which takes off makeup if I use it twice, but when I used this sponge with a mild cleanser, it only worked. It worked without having to wash my face more than once. So this with the mild cleanser is better than using the mild cleanser by itself. And then this was not necessary at all with my cleanser that works completely fine on its own. So I have a cleanser that washes my face without having to use any product. I only have to use it once and I'm done. So this was not necessary with that cleanser because that cleanser works by itself. I feel like I've said the word cleanser so many times. So I hope that makes sense. Basically, this product works well on its own if you're not trying to take off makeup, or if you're just trying to get nice blood circulation and make your face feel a little bit smoother. I don't feel like it works really that well for removing dry skin on my forehead, which is where I usually get dry skin, unless I'm using an actual cleanser with it. I would rather kind of just use my cleanser. So for me anyway, it didn't really seem to provide that much of a benefit of versus having this product versus not having the product. I feel like it didn't make that much of a difference, but it might work for you. Like I said, my skin did feel a little bit smoother. So yeah, those are the Konjac sponges. There's a lot of different ones out there. These are the ones that I had the opportunity to try, and they are linked on Amazon. I will put the link in the description box so you'll see it there. And thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.